Hello and welcome to Red Stapler channel. In this video, we are going to show you how to add a Connect Metamask button to your website and get the address and wallet balance. This example will use the latest version of Metamask API and not using the legacy Windows Web 3, which requires migration. Ready? Let's check it out. So here's the page that we are going to work on. I already prepared a button, so we can start working on the code. First, let's add the click event listener to the button. And then, when the user clicks the button, we'll use Metamask API Ethereum.request with requestAccounts method. The API return promise, so we'll use then. The result is an array of accounts. We'll use the first address in the array. And then put it on console. Now when we click the button, it will try to retrieve the account information and pop up the MetaMask for user to unlock the password. Next, we'll work on getting the account balance. We'll use the Ethereum request again, but this time we'll use getBalance method. And then pass the account address. We'll also need to pass latest as a second parameter to make sure the API retrieves the balance from the latest block on blockchain. We'll put the result on the console. As you can see, the returned balance is in hex. Obviously, we need to convert this before we can use. We'll use parseInt to convert the hex to decimal number. Since the return value is in VAE unit, we'll need to divide it by 10 to the power of 18. Then I will put it to the console. Finally, I will also change the button text content to the account address. After the user connected their wallet. Okay, let's see the result. Now you should have the very basic idea of how to connect to the MetaMask with JavaScript. In the next episode, we will use this example to continue to request transaction signing, which can be used for something like accepting tips or donation on website in crypto. You can find a link to the code in the description box below. So that's all for this episode. If you like it, don't forget to like or subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.